Hey guys, it's Juan. Today we'll be doing a review on the Samsung Galaxy Watch, so stay tuned. Okay, to start off, let's talk about the aesthetics. This watch is a good looking watch. It has a metal build, a hard plastic backplate, which is where you actually find the heart rate sensor. So you can actually dress this watch up. You can basically take these bands off, put a leather band on it, put a metal band on it, silicone band on it, basically whatever you want to do to dress it up, dress it down, go casual, go more formal. So going over the buttons, you have two physical buttons and a rotating bezel on this watch. So the top button is going to be your back button, your bottom button is going to be your home button, then obviously you have the rotating bezel. The top button is not customizable, though the bottom one is. You can double tap on it and have it launch any app that you want. Personally, I use Spotify. I use that a ton while working out or running. Now, getting into the rotating bezel, which is a notable aspect on this watch, my personal favorite part of it, because if you do rotate it, it gives you some haptic feedback, along with some clicks, giving you a satisfying feeling, sturdy feeling actually, so that way you know that it's not going to fall apart on you, and it's actually the easiest way to navigate your way around this watch. So you can swipe left and right, but I do recommend the rotating bezel. Okay, so let's dive into some software features. So this watch is essentially loaded, whether you're looking at it as a fitness tracker, as a smartwatch. It offers 4G LTE, which is actually what this is. So this is the 46mm LTE version. So if you're into running, I do personally recommend getting that 4G LTE on it, because you can leave your phone in your car and get your notifications, get your messages, answer phone calls on this, stream your Spotify music, which is what I personally do. So I would recommend it for that if you are a runner. If you're not though, you might not need it, but it's definitely a nice feature to have, but it's not a killer, so to speak. And let's kind of jump into battery life as well, because I know that's a very important thing to sort of talk about. It's great. In my personal usage, it has usually run me about a day to about 2-3 days even, depending on usage, depending if I'm going on the 4G itself, if I'm strictly using Bluetooth. It depends, but it's great battery life in general terms, depending on how much you use it, of course. These things are absolutely packed out with features, so you're going to be getting onboard GPS, onboard memory, you're going to be getting waterproofing up to 5 ATMs, approximately 150 feet, give or take. You're going to be getting a gyroscope, an accelerometer, a barometer. You're going to be getting Samsung Pay, wireless charging, the works. Bixby's is not up to par, at least not yet, so that is a downside for this watch. It does come with the Tizen OS, which is manageable. It's decent, so it's not going to win any awards, but it'll get the job done. If you are looking for a great fitness tracker / smartwatch hybrid, this is going to be your go-to. The Samsung Galaxy Watch should be at the top of your list as far as that is concerned. Guys, if you liked the video, comment below. Let me know what you liked, what you would like to see in the future. Like the video. I have more content coming in the future. Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.